defendant, appellate, appellant, respondent, petition, petitioner, learned counsel for the appellant, learned counsel for the defendant, learned counsel for the respondent, learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the parties, learned counsel appearing for the respondent, learned counsel appearing for the defendant, learned counsel appearing for the appellant, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, learned counsel appearing for the parties, appellate court. It was further submitted that learned counsel submitted that the learned trial judge impugned order dated, passed the impugned order, law and order dated, learned trial court, learned district judge, learned single judge, learned civil judge, mandatory injunction, perpetual injunction, permanent injunction, prohibitory injunction, perpetual mandatory injunction, prohibitory permanent injunction, permanent prohibitory injunction, mandatory perpetual injunction. Code of Civil Procedure took cognizance, take cognizance, can be filed, has been filed, claim petition, writ petition number, amendment petition, special leave petition, revision petition. Learned counsel submitted that the learned trial judge impugned order, specific performance, relief for specific performance, suit for specific performance, decree for specific performance, scheduled property, cause of action in the present case, in the instant case, of the present case, of the section, in the section, under section, to the section, making, taking, talking, taking necessary steps, to be dismissed, was dismissed, may be dismissed, should be dismissed, has been filed, has been made, has been taken, taken into consideration, Indian Evidence Act, Indian Penal Code, Negotiable Instruments Act, Land Acquisition Act, Code of Criminal Procedure, Code of Civil Procedure, Hindu Marriage Act, CPC, IPC, CRPC, interim order. In accordance with the, it was held that the, it has been held that the, it was pleaded that the, it was contended that the, it was stated that the writ petition in his cross-examination, it has been observed that the written statement, reinstatement, in their written statement, filed a written statement having consideration, has filed for consideration, further consideration, filed a suit, filed a complaint, first information report, filed a suit for declaration, filed a suit for possession, filed a suit for permanent injunction. District and Sessions Judge, District Judge, demand draft, ex parte proceeding, ex parte decree, false allegation, District Forum, District Judge, cognizance, cognizable, code of conduct, counter claim, counter affidavit, counter statement, non-joinder, misjoinder, to section, under article, of section, Consumer Protection Act, wide order dated, application under section, as you know, as we know, as you all know, order dated, judgment dated, against the order dated, judgment and order dated, against the judgment and order dated, additional civil judge, additional district judge, additional district magistrate, between the parties, between the same parties, dispute between the parties, controversy between the parties, under section of the Constitution of India, Union of India, punishment, punishable, advocate general, solicitor general, tribunal, divisional bench, division bench, constitution bench, junior division, brought to the notice, brought on record, require, required, requirement, record, recorded, recording, regard, regarded, regarding, regardless, issued by the, passed by the, assigned by the, aggrieved by the, raised by the, objection raised by the, made by the, caused by the, given by the, challenged by the, adduced by the, transparency, midday meal, patriotic, patronage, in accordance with the filed writ petition, facts and circumstances of the case, brought to the notice of the High Court, Hindu Marriage Act, application under section, High Court under section, prosecuted under section, punishable under section, offence punishable under section, under the provision, filed an application under section, trial under section, office under section, offence under section, by mutual consent under section, punishment, publish, dispute, matrimonial home, matrimonial case, matrimonial house, matrimonial dispute, there is no reason, there is no caution, there is no provision, specific relief act, rash and negligent, rashly and negligently, terms and conditions, filed a complaint, filed a suit, it is alleged that it is well settled, Solicitor General, learned Solicitor General, learned additional Solicitor General, null and void, nullify, during the pendency of the documentary evidence, would not be specifically, could not be specifically, can be specifically, Domestic Violence Act, restitution of conjugal rights, imprisonment, facts and evidence, facts and figures, facts and circumstances, senior civil judge,